Hello, I'm here today to show you a little tutorial of how you can get to your teacher's Google Classrooms. You will begin by going to your Google Chrome and opening up Google, and then you will type in www.gmail.com. Let's enter, and it will take you to the sign-in page where you will use your student ID number at kearneyschools.com. I'm going to sign into my Make Believe student account, which is a little bit different than yours, but you will be typing in your student ID number at kearneyschools.com. Once you do that, you hit next. Then you will be putting in your password, and you will also be clicking next. This will bring you to your inbox for your Gmail. Your emails will be here. This is also the same area where we will access all of our Google apps by clicking the waffle. Once you click on that little waffle there, it gives you a few of the different apps that we can access in Google in our Gmail. Here today, we are going to be going to our classroom. Once I click into the classroom app, it brings me to the main page where all of the classrooms that I am a student in will appear. If you notice, there are 3 different ones. And this one here says decline and join. This means I got an invitation to join a different class, which I am going to hit join. Once I join the class, it will bring me directly to that Google Classroom. So now I'm inside of the Google Classroom that my teacher invited me to. Now, if you want to switch between classes, because you will have different Google Classrooms for your different teachers, you will simply go to the 3 lines or the pancakes, and it will bring you to the main menu where you can click classes, and it will bring you back to the main page where all of your different Google Classrooms for your different teachers will be located.